Alright, what's good, YouTube? It's man DJ Flow Games in the building. Back with another video. And today, man, I've been wanting to do this for a while now. I should have been doing it. So, yeah, but we're going to be watching Hard Stop Lucas today. And it's called When Your Stomach Growls Doing a Test. It either means you're hungry or you got to take a number 2. And, that'd be me, and I go with the second option, take a number 2. But it doesn't matter. But yeah, man, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Be safe, God bless you, and stop on in, man. Love y'all. Let's get it on in.
I'm not playing these games.
You already know. I'm not playing these games.
I don't know why, but my eyes burn. Did you try blinking? No. What class you learned that in? Oh, hey, Kevin. Hey, what's wrong with you? Nothing. I'm fine. I just got a headache. I mean, did you eat breakfast? I was in a rush to leave out, so I didn't get a chance. Oh, well, if you're hungry, I got snacks in my bag if you want some. I appreciate it, but I think I'll be fine. It's just 3 more hours until lunch anyways. All right. Don't say I didn't offer. My eyes! Just close them. Damn. All right, my beautiful students. Today's your favorite time of the month, test day. We're going to get started early
Test day.
today.
I hate tests, man. Don't you just hate tests?
Flip them over and begin. What the hell are you doing? I said when I say start.
Oh.
Start. You said start. Oh, we started? Mm-hmm. What are y'all doing?
They've been just doing.
So no then?
Hey, he said
Until
start.
I say the word, I don't want to hear any talking or noise of any kind. If I hear anything besides those pencils and that paper, we're going to have a problem. Obviously, I'm not in the mood for it today. Do we got that clear? I said, do we got that clear? Yes, whatever. All right, then. You may all begin.
Yo, I hate when teachers just get up in your face and stuff, man. That be make me mad. That just make me want to punch him. But I'm a lover, not a fighter. Oh, that stomach growling.
I'm sorry, you're going to have to keep it down. I'm trying to do my test, and you're being very inconsiderate right now.
Nigga, what? Oh my
I think
gosh.
I'll take those snacks now. Too late. Already gave them to Gina.
Dang, she smacking. She got pizza and everything. Oh my gosh, that Domino's pizza.
Who keep making these noises? Don't let me find out who it is.
You like,
I know y'all know.
I don't know. Either it's him.
Noises. I meant no noises. So don't let me find out who the culprit is.
Yo,
Okay, well, I must have stopped. Okay, well, everybody get back to work.
it's still going. He shedded tears. Oh, this is not Among Us.
Steven,
He made it Among
forget me.
Us.
I heard it coming from Kevin. So I've been sitting next to Kevin this entire time, and I got 100% say it can't be him. Well, what do you have to say about this, Kevin? To be honest, I think it's Ryan.
Wait, what? He literally just offended you.
Yeah, she's been kind of very sus.
Oh my gosh, he literally just offended
Well,
you.
Gina, what you got to say about that? Well,
Dang, girl, you can't talk.
well, I guess that says it. All in favor to kick out Gina? Yeah. All right. It wasn't me. Don't you lie to me. I knew it was you. Who are you talking to?
You done got caught,
Oh, are you getting
my buddy. You got caught. Yo. Yo, that's crazy, man. He just picked him up and threw him out.
Y'all can finish y'all test with no
That's
distraction.
crazy.
Look, y'all only got 20 minutes left in class. Just get y'all test done. For me, please.
Oh, wow.
For yourselves.
Press that mer.
Oh, no.
Oh, wow. Well, guys, that's the end of the video. Yeah, man, it's great reacting to Hard Stop Lucas for the first time. Pretty sure everybody knows him. I know him too. I've seen like some of his short skits and his vines and stuff. But yeah, man, that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, man. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Be safe. God bless you. And peace, man. Love y'all.